Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to add color to black and white photos. So let's start. First of all, you need to get app that is called OIR. You can find link to get this app in the description of this video, so simply click on it and then you can install it on your Android or iPhone. Now once you get the app and you start it, simply click on choose photo from gallery, choose the photograph that you would like to colorize, and then at the bottom over here you will have different presets. For colorizing, I would either recommend choosing Colorize or Colorize Plus. For the purpose of this video, let's choose Colorize Plus and I'm gonna hit restore. Once the restoration begins, AI will analyze the photograph and then colorize it for us. The whole process will take approximately 10-20 seconds, sometimes longer depending on the complexity of the photograph, and once the processing is done we will see the outcome. So here is before, and that's how the photograph looks after colorizing. So as you can see, the AI did amazing job. It just took few seconds. It's super simple, anyone can do it. So that's it for today. Let me know in the comments if you managed to colorize your black and white photos, and remember to click thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.